Hello everyone, and welcome to Tech Upskill channel.
In today's video, I'll show you how to pin a website to your taskbar in Windows 11. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. Start by opening the browser of your choice. In this example, I'm using Google Chrome. If you want to pin Facebook, head over to facebook.com. Once you're on the page, click the three dots in the top right corner of the browser. Scroll down to the Save and Share section, then choose Create Shortcut. You can name it whatever you prefer. I'll stick with Facebook and click Create. Now, minimize the browser, and you'll notice the Facebook icon appears on your desktop. To pin it to your taskbar, simply drag the icon and drop it onto the taskbar. You'll see space open up for it, and once you let go, Facebook is now pinned to your taskbar for easy access. I hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.